Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Kiatni and our team Bintang Anggoro from Studi Program of Technology, Said University Jakarta, and also Hari Eko Irianto and Dini Francisca from Research and Development Center for Marine and Fisheries Product Processing and Biotechnology, Jakarta. We would like to present our research with the title Use of Basil Leaf Ethanol Extract in Alginate-based Edible Film. Introduction. Alginate is usually obtained by extracting from brown seaweed, mainly Sargassum species, which grows almost along the coast of the island in Indonesia. Alginate is an important ingredient as a thickener or emulsifier that is needed in various food, non-food, and medical or pharmaceutical industries, but alginate is still imported from abroad to meet industrial demand. One of the effort of utilize alginate was by employing as raw material in the production of edible film. The disadvantage of edible film made from carbohydrate is that they are not very good at regulating water vapor migration. One way to improve performance of edible film in inhibiting water vapor transmission is to add vegetable oil. In this study, the effect of adding basil leaf ethanol extract was observed to improve the performance of alginate-based edible film, including as antibacterial. Basil leaf extract was added at concentration of 0.5%, 1%, and 1.5%. Methodology. Materials. Brown seaweed sargassum used to extract alginate was purchased from Gunung Kidul, Yogyakarta. Fresh green basil leaf, mocaf, modified cassava starch, sorbitol, and beeswax. The method were divided into three steps. First, extraction of alginate. Alginate was extracted from dried sargassum by employing the Unizal method. And the second step, extraction of antibacterial compound. The fresh basil leaf were extracted by maceration method using 96% ethanol for 3 days, then evaporated by rotary vacuum evaporator. The third step, edible film preparation. Edible film were prepared by modifying the Murdinah method. Alginate was processed by adding mocaf starch, sorbitol, beeswax, and antibacterial agent, basil leaf, ethanol, extract, or BLEE. Experiment. The addition level of BLEE to the alginate-based edible film being tested for their effects were 0.5%, 1%, and 1.5%. This concentration level refer to the result of research conducted by Soleha et al., in which the optimum addition level of red galanga essential oil as antibacterial on carrageenan based edible film was 1%. Before being added to the alginate edible film, the BLEE was tested for antibacterial activity against Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli at concentration of 0.5, 1, and 1.5%. Analysis. Edible film obtained were analyzed for chemical and physical properties, including moisture content, water vapor transmission rate, thickness, and water solubility. Second, mechanical properties, including tensile strength and elongation. And the third, antibacterial activity. Result and discussion. Chemical and physical properties. The chemical parameter of alginate-based edible film analyzed in the study was moisture content, while the physical parameter include included water vapor transpiration rate, water solubility, and thickness of the film, moisture content. The results show that the addition level of PLEE had an effect on the moisture content of the alginate edible film, where the higher concentration of PLEE resulted in the edible film with lower moisture content. Edible film with a PLEE concentration of 0.5 had a higher moisture content. Increasing the PLE concentration and edible film show a trend to reduce the moisture content of the obtained edible film. The phenomenon of decreasing moisture content is caused by PLEE as one of the base material carrying dissolved solid in the solution for producing edible film, which cause hydrogen bond from between the molecules making up the edible film. Water vapor transmission rate. The result of WVTR determination of alginate edible film range from 1,961 to 2,730 gram per meter square 24 hours, in which the higher addition level of PLEE, the lower WVTR values. A good edible film is indicated by a low WVTR value. Edible film with low WVTR can inhibit the loss of water from the product, so the product quality is maintained. The WVTR are influenced by several factors. The addition essential oil is one of the factors that can affect the WVTR values. The more solid content in edible film, the smaller WVTR values. Water solubility. Water solubility values of alginate-based edible film added with PLEE were in the range of 60 to 75%, in which edible film with 1.5 PLEE had the highest solubility value. The water solubility of alginate-based edible film tend to increase with increasing PLEE concentration. This occurrence is presumed because the addition of PLEE may cause damage to the polymer and hydrogen bond structure of the alginate, thereby increasing the solubility in water. Thickness. Results show that the thickness of the edible film tended to increase with the increase of NPLEE concentration. The thickness of alginate-based edible film incorporated with PLEE was ranged from 0.082 to 0.112 millimeter. Those thickness values are classified as good because they are below the maximum standard of edible film thickness according to Japanese industrial standard, which is 0.25 millimeter. Mechanical properties. The important mechanical parameter used in this study to assess the feasibility of alginate-based edible film to be employed as food packaging material to replace non-biodegradable plastic were tensile strength and elongation. Tensile strength. Tensile strength value of alginate-based edible film incorporated with PLEE were ranged in 2.56 to 3.13 MPa. The highest tensile strength was shown by edible film added with the highest level of PLEE addition. The result shows that the addition of PLEE to the edible film packaging with a higher concentration will affect the physical properties of packaging material. The higher of BLE concentration, the higher the tensile strength of edible film will be. Elongation. Results show that the elongation value of edible film in this study were in the range of 45 to 60%. The Japanese industrial standard mentioned that elongation percentage categorized as good as the value was more than 50% and bad if the value was less than 10%. Therefore, the elongation value of edible film obtained in this study was classified as good. Antibacterial properties. In preliminary research, it was proven that BLEE has antibacterial activity against Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. This result exhibited that BLEE had a potential to be used as antibacterial agent, particularly on Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. Surprisingly, that no antibacterial activities were shown by edible film added with all tested concentration level of BLEE indicated by no clear zone on the media for both Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. This means that the basil leaf ethanol extract used in the edible film formulation cannot function as antibacterial. Conclusion. The use of basil leaf extract, null extract, improve physical and mechanical properties of alginate-based edible film. The LBB addition increase water solubility, tensile strength, and thickness value of edible film. Meanwhile, incorporation of BLEE reduce water vapor transmission rate and elongation values. Even though basil leaf ethanol extract show antibacterial activity on Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. But alginate-based edible film incorporated with BLEE had no antibacterial activity on both bacteria. Therefore, alginate-based edible film added with BLEE could not function as an antibacterial food packaging. Acknowledgement. Authors would like to thank the Ministry of Research Technology and Higher Education of the Republic Indonesia, who was providing funding for executing this study through PT-UPT program in 2019. Thank you.